You're ready? Hello, everyone. I'd like to, as I begin, to acknowledge that we're gathered on the territory of the Musqueam, Tsleil-Waututh, and Squamish peoples. As you know, I'm Mike Farnworth, the Minister of Public Safety and Minister responsible for Emergency Management, British Columbia. For the last several weeks, Provincial Health Officer Dr. Bonnie Henry and Minister of Health Adrian Dix have been working tirelessly to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Dr. Henry has given us important instructions on how we can flatten the curve and keep people safe and healthy. Yesterday's declaration of a public health emergency facilitates even faster response to this rapidly evolving situation and gives our public health officer the ability to make swift decisions to protect British Columbians. COVID-19 is impacting all of us, touching our lives and our economy, and I know it's been hard on people. I want to assure British Columbians that our government is doing everything possible to mitigate the risk for people in our province. But we are facing daily, shifting challenges, as is everyone in this difficult time. At this juncture, we need to ensure that we will continue to have the means to coordinate our response across government, across industry, and that we have the tools available to protect the most vulnerable. That is why, today, based on the recommendations of BC's health and emergency management officials, and following Dr. Bonnie Henry's declaration of a public health emergency, I am declaring a provincial state of emergency to support our provincial health officer and Minister of Health in swift and powerful response to the COVID-19 pandemic. This declaration will make sure federal, provincial, and local resources are delivered in a joint, coordinated way to protect the people of our province. This is an all-hands-on-deck approach. The declaration also includes the means to secure critical supply chains, to ensure people have access to essential goods and services, and that any infrastructure necessary to support the response to COVID-19 is readily available. Yesterday, you heard the Premier and Minister of Finance outline our plan to support people and to protect workers. As House Leader, I'm working to resume the legislature to complete this urgent government business to expedite our response to COVID-19 and the key decisions that will need to be made in the coming days to give immediate relief to the people and businesses in our province. I want to take this opportunity to thank Opposition House Leader Mary Polak and Green Party House Leader Sonia Furstenau for their cooperation. Together, we have agreed to resume the legislature on Monday with a reduced number of members to pass important legislation that will ensure the continuity of government and provide important employment supports to people in our province. Our government will do whatever is necessary to protect and support British Columbians and communities, and we will use any and all resources available to keep people safe. These are extraordinary times, and I want to acknowledge and express sincere appreciation for the efforts of all involved in this emergency. To the essential service workers, to the health professionals, to the grocery clerks who continue to support us all. As Dr. Henry has said, now is the time to be kind, be calm, and most of all, to be safe. We all have a role in protecting public safety in our communities. Provincial states of emergency were previously declared in 2017 and 2018 in response to wildfires. The way communities came together during those events was nothing short of extraordinary. We're now asking all people in this province for their support again. Follow the advice of the public health officer. Be vigilant about your hand hygiene. Maintain social or physical distancing and stay home if you're sick. We are going to get through this together, all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Minister. We'll now take questions.